feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby, came here to play.
Hello guys, good morning. This is Daddy M and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, naata sa gawas karon sa may San Roque Church diri sa Subang Dako. Today guys, niari ta diri para manguha og kahoy pero dili para isugnod, but para magama ta og wood floater para sa atong fishing. So stay tuned guys. Medyo nihayag na ang panahon karon guys, pero pakita japon na to sa langit ang ginagmayng dako o pabugso-bugso nga hangin. So actually nindot kay diri guys, presko kay ang hangin diri sa luyo sa may church sa San Roque, Subang Dako. So naata diri karon para mangita og kahoy. Pwede na tong gamiton para floater. So kauta sa may unahan guys, kasi una pa yung mga nindot atong pwede na tong pilian. I think may misa today. So ayan, muna siya ang ground nga nasa luyo sa San Roque Church. Medyo labong-labong na ang mga sagbot, pero still nindot kay siya tanawon sa mata kay green kaayo ang color. So nasa mga balay diri sa luyo, as you can see guys. Muna joggingan na namo actually pag weekend. Kung ginako si Mrs. Bat karon nara sa balay. Ako rin nila host diri kay medyo dagko mang panahon basi muulan og kalit. So mangita taog kahoy diri lapita. Green kayo ang mga sagbot guys. Oh, na pa siya mga bulak. So as you can see, nindot kay siya tanawon. Yun. Nindot kayo diri actually guys mag-jogging. So yun. So nakakita na ta og kahoy. So pwede na nila tong himuong floater. So pwede na tang muli para ato ning trabaho og sugod. So na-amaze lang ko sa nindot nga video diri guys. Nindot kini sa joggingan actually gyud. Matag day off na mo. Kuha na ko si Mrs. Yun, hindi ka matanong. So yun, muli na ta. Karon guys is nakakuha na tag kahoy actually kani. Muli na ta para ato ning trabahoon. So ayun, see you and keep watching para makita ninyo kung saan ni pagama ang simple wooden floater nga atong gamon para fishing na to soon. See you guys, bye bye.
Wow! Wow!
This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. The Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh, got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Everybody wants to be king, yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean, got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it, it's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now, I won't stop till I wear the crown.